For thousands of students at Waterloo, the library plays a key role in their student experience. Last year, students visited the Dana Porter and the Davis Center libraries over 2 million times to study, collaborate on projects, and get expert assistance with their research and coursework. Thanks to generous donor and campus support, thousands of those students are using our new and revitalized study and collaboration spaces daily. We asked what you wanted to see in the library, and we listened. Recent improvements include a lounge area and quiet reflection room in Dana Porter, new study furniture, a quiet reading lounge, and accessible washrooms in Davis Center, and more bookable study rooms and collaborative spaces. The addition of a flexible learning lab on the 3rd floor of Dana Porter Library enables innovative teaching and learning activities and provides additional study and collaboration space for students. I want to acknowledge everyone involved in making this happen. Thank you to our generous donors for their contributions, and to the university. And of course, thank you to our users for their ongoing patience during times of disruption. Many library staff guided the planning and implementation of the project, and I would like to thank them as well. I invite you to explore these new areas, interact with our services and resources, and join us in using these transformative spaces.